I'm traveling through Kansas on my way to Nebraska, so I thought I'd share a few of the little small towns that we traveled through on Highway 75. Now we're just going to see the downtown area. And let's go through Independence, Kansas, population of 8,500 people. Now, something that's very interesting about Independence, Kansas is the Neewollah Festival, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it was established in 1919, and it's actually Halloween spelled backwards. It was basically put together in an effort to provide positive activities for kids of all ages. Instead of doing some of those typical Halloween pranks that kids pull, that sometimes are not necessarily good pranks. So this is all about just having fun. It's considered the largest annual festival in Kansas and has parades, a chili cook-off, and just lots of fun things to do. So we just happened to be going through it and saw all the banners. And Independence is also known as where the Little House on the Prairie cabin is located. So Laura Ingalls Wilder actually wrote Little House on the Prairie books, and then there was a TV show, and she actually lived in this area when she was a child. So they have a replica of the cabin that they lived in. Let's continue down Highway 75 through Kansas, and we're going to enter Neodesha, which is an Osage word meaning the rivers meet. Has a population of over 2,200 and was established in 1867 as a trading post. The first railroad was built in 1879, and the first commercially successful oil well was drilled in this area in 1892, Mid-Continent Oil Field, which you might know as Standard Oil. Our next stop is Lyndon, Kansas, established in 1870 with a population of a little over 1,000 people. It's nighttime as we go here, so you're not going to see downtown as well as you do the other places. I hope you enjoyed watching a few little towns in Kansas as we drove through on our trek through Kansas on Highway 75. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Safe travels!